Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 20, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down just a bit to access Display. Following that, click on this switcher next to Automatic Brightness to turn it off or on. If you want to, you can also go into Tab menu and tap on this little icon next to Brightness slider to manage adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!